So I've been asked, what am I doing? I don't want to take these concrete stairs out of here. I believe that they're solid. I could be wrong, but I believe they are. I can't move it with the tractor. The tractor's too small. And then, even if I could, what do I deal with it? How do I deal with it? How do I get rid of it? It was just be too big of a pain in the butt. So I'm building the deck over the existing stairs. So what I'm doing today is I'm filling in blocking. I have blocking here, and same with the other side, so I can stick these down in there, and I can catch my next ledger board to catch my stair stringers. So that's what I'm working on here. On the other side, this is where it's going to be the railing post. And also the reason why I did this is that when I get the railing post in there and I get this part in here, I'm going to put a 2x4 in between these, so to catch my deck board, I'm going to wrap it like a picture frame here. So putting that 2x4 here to fill this in, so when that edge, because I'm going to overlap here some, so I'll have a place to screw. And then I'm going to throw some screws in it. Where should I put this? Put it there. Here. Throwing a couple of screws in it. All right. And this is gonna go up here. So that should help with the stair stringers. That's what I'm thinking. Let me nail it off. Double check before I nail it off. Gonna throw a couple of screws in there.
Not sure if I need it.
All right, I haven't got a lot done. I'm fighting with this post. I got it level that way. Plumb, or whatever you want to call it. It's got to go way over. And I'm shimming it. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be shimming it. Well, look at this. All right, now she's level. Ay, ay, ay. That one was crazy. Level that way. Level that way. I don't know if I dare to shoot a couple of nails in it. I'm going to try to throw some screws in there. Oh, that looks good. Looks good. I can't believe that took me so long. You know what it was, is that I had it pinched up against the house thinking that the railing needs to go there, but then, you know, there's a white column going over it and there's a cap. I had to bring everything out. Floor joist in there that's twisted, because I don't understand why it threw me off so much. So the plan is here, just throw a I don't know what the heck happened here. It's like this whole thing is broken. Starting to think I shouldn't have done that. I think I should have tried to went in there and moved 6 feet. Brutally windy out here. So I need to go cut 2x4. So you guys are gonna remind me that I gotta throw some screws in that post. So I'm filling in between here, only to catch that trim board. I mean the decking board. And you'll see what I'm talking about. I gotta secure that somehow. There we go. So like I was saying, that 2x4 I was putting in there is to catch this as a picture frame. I'm gonna do a picture frame and then put the boards in between. So I kind of need that 2x4 to be in there to screw to. It's gonna be like this somewhere. And so I need that to tow in there. Yeah. The posts are 40, but I'm measuring 41 because the decking is an inch. I suppose you can still just go 40. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to go all the way. I messed up again. I messed up again. Ay, ay, ay. Right there. Right there. I think my battery's about to die. So we will continue on another day.